Hi, so here we have Monday.com and we have a project request and approval board here, and on the left here we have SharePoint, and we're going to set up an automation that means that when a project is requested within Monday.com, all the project files and documentation are copied, and we have the templates for the files and the documentation, and that will be configured and saved within SharePoint. So how does that work? So first of all, we're going to set up an automation, and I'm going to look for Microsoft and select this one here, and it says when an item is created in Monday, copy the files from a SharePoint site from a source folder and save them in a new folder under a target folder. So let's just use that. And first of all, it asks us to log in. So we're logging into Microsoft, and it's asking me for my two-factor authentication. I'm doing that on my phone. Stay logged in. So yeah, when an item is created, copy files in a SharePoint site. So this is the one that we have on the left then, that's called Monday site. And we're going to take the files from a source folder, and we've got a folder of templates. And we've actually got templates from projectmanagementdocs.com. And we're going to save them in a new folder under a target folder. And over here we've got boards, and then we've got a folder named after this board. So we're going to call this Project Requests and Approvals board. And there, so that's now set up. So when somebody wants to request a new project, they go in here and they type in the name of their project. I'm going to say that it's a secret, but they submit that, and then the item gets created over here. So that's great. But what's happened with the automation is if we reload this screen here, we should see that we have a new folder there, and that's got a bunch of documents in it. Now, what would be really neat would be to be able to view these in Monday.com. We can do that by looking for Secure Embed, and we're going to select this one. And guess what? It's automatically configured to point to the right place. So we can have a look at our documents, and then we can go in and do things like view them. And you can view those and then go through and edit them. And that happens for every single item. So if you create another one there, you get it over here. So if we just create a Project X, we will let the workflow, the automation flow. It creates it over here, and then we can have a look in our Secure Embed, and you can see all the files there. So that's it.